Hi, I'm Terry Johnson, one of the co-creators of the Quirkles. And with me again, I have Chloe. Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Miss Terry.
Did you have great holidays?
Yes.
But now the holidays are over and it is winter. What does that mean in our part of the world?
It is very cold outside.
And when we walk into a room, what do we automatically do, Chloe?
We go like this.
What we don't know is that we're actually doing a science experiment. What are we creating when we do that?
Heat.
And it is a force. And what is that force called?
Friction.
Well, this activity is from our Quirkles book, Friction Fred. And we're going to show you friction in a little bit of a different way. Friction is when two things are rubbing against each other. We're going to see if we can hang this spoon from our nose. It makes our mom and dad really proud. Yeah, it will stick on because I've created
Friction.
Hi, Chloe. I have a friction nose, don't I?
I will have to keep practicing on that. But Miss Terry, you sure did look funny.
I sure did. Sometimes science doesn't always work out the first time, and we have to keep trying. That's why we call it science.
Well, have a happy January.
Happy January. For more Quirkles experiments, check out Quirkles.com or our YouTube channel.